Okay, Anumegha, you start reading. The Ant and the Cricket.
Yes, ma'am. A silly young cricket accustomed to sing
From the beginning,
through.
Beta. From the
Yes, ma'am.
beginning, a fable is a story.
Yes, ma'am. A fable is a story, often with animals as characters, that conveys a moral. This poem about an ant and a cricket contains an idea of far-reaching significance, which is as true as of a four-legged cricket as of a two-legged one. Surely you have seen a cricket that has two legs.
Okay, good.
A
Read the
silly
poem.
young yes, ma'am. A silly young cricket accustomed to sing through the warm sunny month of gay summer and spring began to complain when he found that at home his cupboard was empty and winter was come. Not a
Okay,
crumb.
okay, okay. Okay. So, in this poem, The Ant and the Cricket, everyone is aware of what are ants and what is a cricket. You must have heard about them and you must be seeing them too nowadays. Lots of ants and lots of crickets in our homes, in our kitchens, outdoors, right? So it's a fable. Fable is generally a story which has a moral, which conveys a moral, and which is, a story, a poem is of animal characters, basically. Okay, so this poem is also conveying a moral, which we'll get to know very soon when we'll reach to the end. So a silly young cricket accustomed to sing. There was a silly young cricket whose habit was to sing. He was habitual to sing through the warm, sunny months of gay summer and spring. He used to sing all the time in summers, in spring, okay, in warm, sunny days. Gay means bright, ब्राइट डेज जब बहुत ज्यादा धूप होती है ब्राइट डेज होते हैं तब भी वो गाता था began to complain when he found that at home his cupboard was empty and winter was come. Now he was in a fix. अब उसको मुश्किल आने लगी. Why? Because when he saw his cupboard, it was empty. He was having nothing to eat. And what was there? The winter was coming. Okay. During spring and summer seasons, the warm sunny weather, it allows a lush green vegetable and all living beings they get adequate food and water. लेकिन क्या होता है विंटर्स में the whole place is covered with snow. वो सब कुछ भर जाता है स्नो से with the wind and with so there are no plants, no leaves, no flowers जिस पे insects prey कर सके जो insects इसको खा सके. तो अभी क्या हुआ when he opened his cupboard he found it empty. There was not even a small piece of food to be found. Why? Because he had not saved any food. उसने कोई खाना बचाया ही नहीं था winters के लिए. He had no planning. He had no saving. Okay, now I want Arpita to read, not a crumb say.
Okay, ma'am.
Arpita, yeah.
Not a crumb found on the snow-covered ground. Not a flower could be seen, not a leaf on a tree. Oh, what will become, says the cricket, of me? At
Now
last
he is in
I
a problem, right? Now what happened? He is in a problem. Not even a crumb to be found. Not even a piece of bread.
Ma'am?
Am I audible to you?
yes,
Yes,
Clear
ma'am.
आवाज आ रहा है?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am, clear
ma'am.
है.
Yes, Bhargavi.
Yes, ma'am, it is clear.
Okay, okay. So there was not even a crumb to be found on a snow covered ground. Now the ground was full of snow and he doesn't have any food to eat. Not a flower could he see and not a leaf on a tree. विंटर सीजन एवरीवन नोस कि क्या होता है पतझड़ का मौसम आ जाता है और हमें फ्लावर्स और ट्रीज नजर नहीं आते. Oh, what will become, says the cricket of me. अब मेरा क्या होगा in the winters. Now I need to hear from Bhargavi. Bhargavi, please you read from at last.
Yes, ma'am. At last, by starvation and famine made bold, all dripping with wet and all trembling with cold. Away he set off to a miserly ant to see if to keep him alive he would grant him
Yeah.
shelter.
Now the cricket had, yeah. Now the cricket had not saved any food for the future, and he wondered what will happen to him if he did not have food. If we do not have food, what happens to us?
Starvation.
Starvation.
And after starvation, we die, right? स्टार्व करते हैं पहले हम, भूखमरी को झेलते हैं झेलते हैं झेलते हैं, एंड देन स्टार्वेशन लीड्स टू death. So he would have to starve without food, and if he did not have anything, तो वो मर जाएगा. Now what happens? He is soaked and wet. वो पूरी तरह से भीगा हुआ है. He is wet and he is shaking. Okay? वो शेक कर रहा है, ट्रेम्बल कर रहा है because of the extreme cold weather. Now उसने फिर भी हिम्मत जुटाई, and with all his strength and courage, from the fear of being without food, उसने अपना जर्नी स्टार्ट कर दिया टू विजिट द एंट. अब वो किसके पास गया? एंट के पास, टू सीक हेल्प. और उसको लगा कि एंट अगर उसको हेल्प कर देगी तो वो जिंदा रह पाएगा. बट एंट कैसी थी?
Strict.
Hardworking.
How was the ant? There is an adjective written over here.
Rebel.
Yes, yes, she was a miser ant. Miser means
Conjuice.
कंजूस. माइजर बहुत कंजूस थी वो. चलो, लेट्स रीड नेक्स्ट. लक्ष्य, यू रीड हिम शेल्टर. टू सी,
Sure, ma'am.
टू सी से पढ़िए.
To see if to keep him alive, he would grant him shelter from rain and a mouthful of grain. He wished only to borrow, yet repay it tomorrow. If not, he must
Okay.
die of starvation and sorrow.
Sorrow. Okay, can you explain me this? From him shelter from rain, Lakshya. Lakshya can explain me. Okay. So what happens is that he was pretty sure that when he'll go to ant will definitely help him, and he will save him from the rain. उसको shelter देगी, and she will give a mouthful of grain to him so that he can live. And he wished only to borrow. अब वो क्या इच्छा लेकर गया था? He just wanted to borrow. वो borrow करना चाहता था. उसने अपने मन में सोचा था कि वो repay कर देगा. He will return it tomorrow. जैसे हम उधार में कोई चीज लेते हैं और उसके बाद हम रिटर्न कर देते हैं. This was there in his mind, and if not, he must die of starvation and sorrow. अगर उसको नहीं एंड से हेल्प मिला तो वो मर जाएगा स्टारवेशन से और sorrow से, दुखी होकर. He will die. Okay, next, Aditya. Aditya would like to read.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Aditya.
Says the ant to the cricket, I am your servant and friend. But we ants never borrow, we ants never lend. But tell me, dear cricket, did you lay nothing by when the weather was warm? Quoth the cricket, not I. My
Okay,
heart
very
was
good.
so.
Okay, good. Now the cricket went to the ant and asked for the help, and the ant said that cricket's servant and friend, okay. But the ant also said that ants don't borrow or lend anything. उनका एक असूल है कि वो कभी borrow नहीं करते और कभी lend भी नहीं करते. कुछ चीज उधार देते भी नहीं है और लेते भी नहीं. The ant further asked the cricket that he had been doing what he had been doing when the weather was warm enough for him to work. वो क्या कर रहा था जब काम करने का समय था, जब गर्मियों में वो काम कर सकता था, खाना इकट्ठा कर सकता था. And the cricket replied. What did he reply? Let us see. यहाँ quoth लिखा है. Quoth in old English is, it is said. It means said. Now, Sarakshi, Please read for
Yes,
us.
ma'am.
My heart.
My heart was so light that I sing day and night, for all nature looked gay. You sang, sir, you say. Go then, says the ant, and dance the winter away.
Very good. Read till end.
Okay, ma'am. Thus ending, he hastily lifted the wicket, and out of the door turned the poor little cricket. Fox called this a fable. I warrant it true. Some crickets have four legs and some have two.
Okay, now the cricket replied that he was very happy when nature looked good and bright. He added that he sang all day and night out of happiness. वो इतना खुश था कि वो गाता रहता था. और एंट ने आगे से क्या रिप्लाई दिया? वेरी sarcastically, बहुत ही इस तरह से रिप्लाई दिया कि अच्छा, इफ ही हैड बीन सिंगिंग ड्यूरिंग द समर, समर्स में तुम गाते रहे, तो जाओ विंटर्स में डांस करो. इट वॉज अ like a taunt to him. Here the poet refers to the mockery, मतलब उसने mockery बोलते हैं ना, मजाक उड़ाना, किसी का मजाक उड़ाते उड़ाते जब हम किसी को कुछ बोलते हैं, तो एंट ने वो किया क्रिकेट का. एंड द एंट मॉक्ड द क्रिकेट बिकॉज द एंट वाज वर्कड हार्ड ड्यूरिंग द समर मंथ्स. उसने क्यों उसका मजाक उड़ाया? बिकॉज एंट वाज वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट, बिकॉज उसने बहुत काम किया था. एंड्स आपको पता है कि दे आर वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग. आपने ये पढ़ा होगा सेवेंथ में, राइट? सेवेंथ में आपने
Yes,
पढ़ा था इसका, एंट का, है ना?
ma'am, but
Yes, ma'am.
chapter of supply
हाँ,
reader.
what was the name? हाँ, what was the name? The tiny teacher.
Tiny. The
Yeah, the tiny. Yes. So the tiny teacher में हमने पढ़ा था ants are very hard working. They collect the food in summers, और उसके बाद जब उनको सर्दियाँ आती है तब वो आराम से रिलैक्स होकर अपना खाना एंजॉय करती है. तो उसने उसको टॉन्ट दिया और उसने बोला कि तुम इतने गाने गाते रहे समर्स में, तो अब मेरी हेल्प के लिए आ गए, अब जाओ और विंटर्स में भी गाना गाओ. एंड thus ending he hastily lifted the wicket, और हरिडली उसने जल्दी से उसका दरवाजा, अपना दरवाजा बंद कर दिया क्रिकेट के मुंह पर. जब हम किसी को भगाते हैं और बैंग करते हैं डोर को, जोर से उसके मुंह पे मारते हैं, तो उसने उसको बाहर निकाला. एंड आउट ऑफ द डोर टर्न द पुअर लिटिल क्रिकेट, और बेचारा वो बाहर चला गया. लोग कहते हैं, फोक्स हियर मीन्स पीपल, पीपल कॉल दिस अ फेबल, लोग इसको फेबल कहते हैं. आई वारंट इट ट्रू, लेकिन मेरे हिसाब से ये एक ट्रुथ है. कौन कौन ये मानता है कि सच में ट्रुथ है? इट्स नॉट ओनली अ स्टोरी, बट इट्स रियली अ ट्रुथ, अ ट्रू स्टोरी, यू कैन से.
Yes, ma'am.
Who believes this? Yes, even I believe it. Why? Because अभी जो मैं यहाँ पे क्रिकेट्स देख रही हूँ, वो सच में सिंग ही करती रहती हैं, गाना ही गाती रहती हैं. एंड दे इरिटेट अस सो मच, डोंट दे?
Yes, ma'am. They.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
या यस, whenever we switch off the light, और जहाँ पे भी रोशनी होगी, इनकी आवाज, इनके गाने, इरिटेबल साउंड्स आती रहती हैं. दैट मीन्स ये अभी कोई मेहनत नहीं कर रही है, ये खाना इकट्ठा नहीं कर रही है, ये आराम से डांस कर रही है. एंड जंपिंग, जंपिंग वाला डांस, यू नो, they used to jump and they used to sing all the way. कभी यहाँ मिलेगी, कभी यहाँ पे. And they are not collecting the food, they are not doing any hard work. और कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि क्रिकेट की 2 लेग्स होती हैं, कोई कहते हैं 4. आपने कौन सा वाला क्रिकेट देखा है? उसकी कितनी लेग्स हैं?
Four.
4.
ओके, 4
Four.
है ना, जनरली
Four.
4 लेग्स.
ये जो picture है उसमें भी फोर ही हैं, पर उसके जो हाथ बनाए हैं वो लेग्स हैं उसके.
हाँ, वो उसके आर्म्स हैं, 4 हैंड्स हैं उसके. ये 4 आर्म्स जिसको कहते हैं, छोटी वाली ऊपर है और 2 मेन लेग्स है नीचे, जिससे वो खड़ी भी हो जाती है. इट्स जो क्रिकेट्स हैं, दे बिलोंग्स टू फैमिली ऑफ द ग्रास हॉपर्स, राइट? तो ग्रास हॉपर्स भी इसी तरह से जंप करते हैं, उनका भी इसी तरह से रहता है. तो सिमिलरली crickets are like that. So this was a poem, it was quite interesting. So what moral have we got from this poem? I would like to know it from Ayan Ahmed Pathan.
Ma'am, we should work hard and help
अच्छा,
others.
और हेल्प अदर्स ना, एंट को हेल्प करना चाहिए था, व्हाट यू से?
Yes, ma'am, I think so.
ओके, एंट को हेल्प करना चाहिए था, राइट? Who will tell me the moral of the story? कोई और बच्चा बताना चाहेगा? ओके, अनुमेघा.
First, do your work, then have fun.
This is also right. Fun is also important, but पहले काम जरूरी है. I think the
Ma'am,
moral
may
of
I?
the story is very very true. Yeah. Yes, 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 sure. Hmm.
Ma'am, we should work hard at the right time.
Okay, very good, very good. We should always think ahead and save for the future. हमें हमेशा अपने future के बारे में सोचना चाहिए. Okay, Lokesh, yes, please, हाँ, please share your thought.
We have to think in present and in the future.
No, 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 no. We should not think in the present. क्रिकेट ने वही तो किया, वो तो प्रेजेंट में ही जी रहा था ना.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Era.
Ma'am, we should be independent.
Like cricket, he was
Ma'am,
independent.
No, ma'am, we have to become independent. Sometimes it will happen that we don't have to ask any sort of um, help for someone.
Okay, you mean that we should be so much self-dependent that we should never ask for help. We should never lay our hands to others to help us in our, bad times. So
Yes,
this
ma'am.
means that we should always save for our future.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we should not only live in the present, but we should also think ahead and we should save for our future. हमें जैसे
ma'am,
पता है कि आगे हमारे साथ ये सिचुएशन आ सकती है, तो हमें उसके लिए भी प्रिपेयर होना चाहिए. यस सौम्या.
Ma'am, we had to think about the problems which can come in the future and prepare
यस,
them.
यस, एंड प्रिपेयर फॉर द सॉल्यूशंस. जब हमको पता है कि ये चीज आनी ही आनी है, जब हमें भी पता है, सपोज आई विल गिव यू एन एग्जांपल, इफ वी नो दैट विंटर्स आर गोइंग टू कम विद इन 2 months or 3 months, सो हम अपने ब्लैंकेट को प्रिपेयर रखेंगे या नहीं?
Yes,
हम
ma'am.
अपने गर्म कपड़ों को, अपने वुलन क्लोथ्स को प्रिपेयर रखेंगे नहीं आफ्टर वॉशिंग एंड ड्राई क्लीनिंग एवरीथिंग, बिकॉज वी नो दैट वी नीड टू वेयर देम. सिमिलरली we should always think ahead and save for our future. Okay, so children, अभी फटाफट से मैं आपको कुछ वर्ड के मीनिंग्स बताती हूँ जो आपको लिखने हैं, ठीक है, in your notebooks. You can underline the difficult words. I'll read the difficult words for you and you keep underlining it if you have books with you. ठीक है? Yes, Ayan, very good. We have to do hard work. Good. Okay, shall I speak?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, the first word is accustomed. Underline accustomed. Gay. 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 Crumb. Fifth line. Then come to the next stanza. Starvation. Famine means scarcity of food. ठीक है, जब खाने की वो हो जाती है ना, तंगी आ जाती है. और dripping. Who will tell me the meaning of dripping? Drip करना.
Water falling drop by drop.
It is fine. Water falling drop by drop. Okay, जब हम इतने गीले होते हैं, इतने ज्यादा गीले हो जाते हैं कि हम में से पानी की बूंदें भी नीचे गिरनी स्टार्ट हो जाती है, शेड करता है जब ड्रॉप्स. स्पेशली जब हम बारिश में भीग जाते हैं विद ऑल आवर क्लोथ्स, इतना गीले हो जाते हैं कि वो ड्रिप मीन्स टू fall drop by drop. Okay, Okay, dripping, trembling, miserly, mouthful, repay. Okay, next page. Lend, borrow, hastily, wicket, folks, fable, and warrant. Okay, you will write the meanings of these words in your notebooks along with the moral of the story. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
I'll be sending you few questions of this lesson and you do that also. अभी हम जो यहाँ पे दिए हुए हैं उसको भी डिस्कस कर लेते हैं, मे बी उसमें से भी कुछ लिखने पड़े. Let's come to question number 1. The cricket says, "Oh, what will become of me?" When does he say it and why? Who will give me the answer? Lokesh, would you like to give the answer of this question? क्रिकेट ने जब कहा कि ओ मेरा क्या होगा, तो उसने ये कब कहा और क्यों?
Ma'am, may I?
लोकेश. Okay, Catherine.
Ma'am,
Okay, you do.
he tells.
Lokesh, you are answering? लोकेश, आप आंसर दे रहे हैं?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, Catherine. Let Catherine answer then. Catherine, please go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. The cricket says these words when in his home he finds no food to eat in winter.
Okay, very good, very good, very good. When he has nothing to eat and his cupboard was empty. And then he thought that what will become of him, right? Okay, find in the poem the lines that means the same. Neither a borrower nor a lender be.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
may
can
I?
I?
Okay, wait.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay.
May I?
Okay. Aditya. Aditya.
The line is, but we ants never borrow, we ants never lend.
No. ध्यान से सुनो क्वेश्चन को. Find in the poem the lines that means the same. Neither a borrower nor a lender be.
Ma'am, I think this is
Who
only
will
the
answer?
answer.
Arpita?
He did
Ma'am, may
repeat
I
tomorrow.
answer?
Arpita, please repeat.
Ma'am, but we ants never borrow, we ants never lend.
Okay, you think this is the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If I
Yes,
say
ma'am.
that maybe the answer may be I'm your friend, I'm your servant and friend, what does that mean? I'm your servant and friend. मैं तुम्हारी servant भी हूँ और friend भी हूँ.
When he was saying that, please help me, that I am your friend also.
This is the line which Ant has told to Cricket. Says Ant to the Cricket that I'm your servant and friend. Anyways, you people are right that we ants never borrow, we ants never lend. It means this. Let's come to the second option. What is your opinion of the ants principles? आपका क्या कहना है ants के principles पे? Principles
Ma'am,
means
may I?
assume. Okay, yes,
May I?
please answer.
The ants principle is not bad. It teaches a lesson to everybody. to plan for the rainy day.
Okay. Soumya, would you like to give the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I think that ant should help the cricket
Hmm.
because as the cricket is their friend, so they can say that if we'll give you food if you will hard work next time.
अच्छा, तुम्हें लगता है कि एंट्स को हेल्प करना चाहिए था? उनके प्रिंसिपल्स गलत हैं?
मैम मुझे ये लगता है कि उन्हें उसे समझाना चाहिए था और थोड़ा सा दे देना चाहिए।
दे देना चाहिए था। वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्रिंसिपल्स, उनके जो असूल है। जैसे उनका एक असूल है कि वी नेवर बोरो नेवर लेंड, तो क्या ये सही है? दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट टू आंसर। इज दिस
यस
रूल
मैम, इट
करेक्ट?
यस यस
इट इज करेक्ट। ओके, एंड्स प्रिंसिपल्स आर कंप्लीटली राइट, ये बिल्कुल सही है। बाय बिकॉज जो आगे के बारे में नहीं सोचते वो कभी भी दे कैन नॉट सक्सीड इन द लाइफ। और क्या होगा कि अगर वो हेल्प कर देती हूँ उसको, तो उनको बार बार अगेन एंड अगेन हेल्प करना पड़ता। बिकॉज जिसकी आदत है कुछ ना करने की, वो तो कुछ भी नहीं करेगा। ओके, और इसी तरह से उन्होंने उसको लेसन समझाया। दिस इज द वे टू टीच हिम द लेसन। ओके, the ant tells the cricket to dance the winter away. Do you think the word dance is appropriate here? क्या dance word बिल्कुल सही है? अगर है तो why? Vyom,
मैम।
Vyom, you please answer.
Yes, the word dance is appropriate here since the cricket enjoyed his summer by singing, and now he should send the winter away by dancing.
Okay, very good. So, therefore, the reply to this, like the ant asked the cricket to dance the winter away, just like वो गाना गाता था, just like it sang through summers and did not bother to store the food. जैसे उसने समर में कभी बॉदर नहीं किया और खाना जमा नहीं किया, तो उसने बोला चलो विंटर्स में भी यू गो एंड dance. It is appropriate, right? Okay, which lines in the poem expresses the poet's comment?
मैम may I?
Poet, Soumya. Okay, Soumya.
Yes, ma'am. The lines in the poem that express the poet's comment are: flocks call this a fable. I warrant it true. I warrant it true.
Okay, right. Because these are the words from the poet. ठीक है, poet ने अपनी तरफ से कहा था कि people call this a fable, folks call this a fable, but I'll warrant it true. Some crickets have 4 legs and some have 2. These are the lines which has been written by the poet, the expression of the poet. And write the comment in your own words. आप अपने वर्ड्स में क्या कहना चाहते हैं? वही हो गया, moral ही हो गया ये. It is a kind of a moral only. Okay, Yogita Srivastava. But ma'am, what
Ma'am, I
if
have a
the
doubt.
cricket will die? योगिता, can you explain it? आप बोलकर बताओ अपनी बात, क्या कहना चाह रही हो?
मैम मैं ये कहना चाह रही हूँ
योगिता,
कि अगर वो
हाँ
मैम अगर वो मर जाता है क्रिकेट, तो उसके
हाँ,
बाद तो फिर उसको मतलब मेहनत कैसे करता फिर वो नेक्स्ट टाइम?
मेहनत तो वो उस टाइम भी कर सकता था, नो डाउट। बट यही तो बात है ना कि कितने बारी कोई हेल्प करेगा किसी को, है ना? अब ये तो आगे हमें नहीं पता कि वो मर जाता है या यू नो आगे उसको हेल्प कर दी जाती है, बिकॉज इट्स अ लॉन्ग स्टोरी, इसको अगर आप गूगल पे देखेंगे तो ये स्टोरी इतनी नहीं है। द पोएम इज नॉट दिस मच, इट्स अ लॉन्ग 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 स्टोरी। आगे कुछ और भी हुआ होगा मे बी, बट एनीवेज ये उसकी गलती है एंड
हाँ,
ही
I
हैज
have a
टू
doubt.
पे फॉर हिज मिस्टेक। सौम्या, यस।
मैम मुझे आपसे ये पूछना है कि ये जो आपने होमवर्क में बोला था कि सेकेंड चैप्टर को रीड करना है, उसके जो हार्ड वर्ड मीनिंग्स है उन्हें कॉपी में लिखना है। तो मैंने कॉपी में तो उन्हें लिख लिया है, और ये पोएम क्वेश्चन करने के अभी लिख के बाद में सेकेंड चैप्टर के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स लिखूं?
आपकी ना आवाज कट रही है, आपने हार्ड वर्ड्स नोटबुक में लिख लिए हैं, है ना?
मैम
तो अब आपने क्या पूछा है कि क्वेश्चन आंसर्स?
यस मैम, मैंने ये पूछा है कि जो पोयम है वो चैप्टर के पहले है, तो मैं पहले चैप्टर के
ओके,
क्वेश्चन
दैट
आंसर्स
डजंट मीन,
लिखूं?
दैट डजंट, उसका कोई मतलब नहीं है। आप लाइन वाइज लाइन चलिए, अगर आप उसके लिख चुके हैं हार्ड वर्ड्स, तो आप देख लीजिए कि हाउ मेनी क्वेश्चंस आर देयर, और उसके अकॉर्डिंगली आप पेज छोड़ दो एंड देन यू राइट डाउन दिस
ओके
पोएम, है ना? यू लीव द पेजेस, देन वील व्हेन कम टू द नेक्स्ट लेसन, तब आप उसको वहां कर लेना।
मैम, you have to write this whole poem?
No, 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 beta, you don't have to write the whole poem. I just want you to write down the meanings of the difficult words and the moral of the story. Poem तो आपको समझ में आ ही गया है,
Okay मैम.
okay? Followed by the question answers which we are discussing. और कुछ extra questions हैं जो मैं आपको WhatsApp पे भेज दूंगी. These are very small questions. एक लाइन के आंसर्स होंगे which I'll send you. ठीक है? चलो वो वाले questions भी आपके साथ मैं डिस्कस कर लेती हूँ. तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आई वांट टू नो फ्रॉम आदित्य शर्मा. Okay, Aditya, what was the young cricket accustomed to do?
Ma'am, the young cricket accustomed to sing through the warm,
Okay,
sunny months of summer and
okay,
spring.
okay, very good, very good, very good. Okay, second, when was the cricket happier?
Repeat, ma'am.
Ayan, when was the cricket happier? सबसे ज्यादा खुश वो कब था?
Ma'am, the cricket was happier in the summer days when he was not working hard and singing
Very
songs.
good. Okay, shabash, very good. Why did he complain, Bhargavi?
Ma'am, please repeat.
Why did the cricket complain?
He complained because he found nothing in his cupboard
Very
and
good.
wanted
When the
some
winter
food
was
to eat.
about to, yes, come. Okay, very good. Now, Sarthak. Sarthak will answer why the cricket go to the ant. Sarthak, are you here? Okay, Sanika. Sanika. Yes. Why the cricket go to the ant?
Ma'am, because he thought ant will give him shelter and some food.
Very good. Because the cricket went to the ant for shelter and some food to eat. Okay. Wait. Yogita, Yogita, you please tell me what did the ant ask the cricket? Ant ने cricket से क्या पूछा? Yogita,
Ma'am, I don't know.
बेटा ध्यान से सुनिए क्वेश्चन को. This is not the good reply. What did the ant ask the cricket? जब cricket help लेने के लिए उसके पास गया, तो ant ने उसको क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा? क्या पूछा था ant ने?
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, may I?
Yogita, what were you doing when I was explaining? मैंने आपको एक एक लाइन एक एक वर्ड अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किए बेटा. Still you are not having the answer to give. Very bad. Era, you tell me.
Yes, ma'am. She says I am your servant and friend, but we ants never borrow, we ants never lend.
No बेटा no. मैंने ये
मैम
नहीं
may
बोला
I?
कि उसने क्या कहा.
मैम may I?
I am asking you कि what did the ant ask the cricket? उसने cricket को क्या पूछा? Question क्या पूछा?
Ma'am, may I give answer?
Yes, Soumya.
And the ant asked, "Tell me, dear cricket, did you lay nothing by when the weather was warm?" Quite the cricket,
Very
not
good.
I.
Yes, the ant asked the cricket that what he was doing in summer times. तो summers में क्या कर रहा था? This was the question. Okay. Now, Era, you tell me, what did the ant tell the cricket? पहले मैंने पूछा था ask. Now I'm saying tell the cricket. अब ant ने cricket को क्या कहा? The answer which you gave me earlier. Era.
Yes, ma'am. Can you please repeat it?
What did the ant tell the cricket?
Ma'am, that was my last answer. I am your servant and friend.
Yes. Yes.
But
The
yes,
ant
ma'am.
told the cricket that they never borrow from somebody and nor lend to somebody. This is what the ant said to the cricket. Okay?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
beta. So I think now it's time. It's 2:40. So you know your work, what you have to do. You have to complete this poem, okay, in your notebooks in beautiful handwriting. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Any doubt
Okay,
to
ma'am.
anyone, you can ask me.
Ma'am, will you not check the vacation homework?
Okay, you can clear your doubts anytime. I'm always available on WhatsApp. You can message me and you can ask anything. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Sairam, ma'am.